Hey guys, it's me again, Barry, with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and today we're demonstrating an Electrophonic T600 AM-FM 8-track receiver, a pretty nice little model here. So we're just going to go ahead and turn her on, get the FM radio going, and do a quick check of the AM.
Bodies, both at home and abroad. Is that when
Here's our AM.
the KKK was the armed
currencies, cargo planes, and other currencies landing in
Alrighty, let's get a better station here. Believe it or not, I do like this kind of music. I'm getting to be an old fart, I guess. Okay, let's put her on tape and test the 8-track. I'm going to start off with a little Anne Murray. Now, this is a nice, bright-sounding 8-track. It's exceptionally bright-sounding and crisp. I'm going to switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, I think we're coming up on an automatic track change. That's about the only reason a song would fade out in the middle, so let's just wait for it to change tracks. Should be any second now. There it is. Wait for that song to resume. And there we are.
He keeps on forgiving me for the pain.
Okay. More track change.
You don't drive a big black car, oh, 'cause it's raining, and head will go dancing through.
All right, let's do some bonanza guitars. Output on both sides. Rotate our balance control. Left, right, left, right. Switch tracks a couple more times, then we're going to quit. Make sure our bass and treble controls work. No treble. No bass. All right. I'm starting to get a little bit too excited now. Okay, that concludes the test. Everything's working. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. You're probably tired of hearing me say that. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And needless to say, if you have an 8-track player, either for home or for car use in need of service, you can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. I also perform FM conversions on classic car AM or AM-FM radios, meaning I can also add Bluetooth, USB reader. Now we can add digital HD radio to your classic car radio, aux input, and who knows what else by the time you send your radio in. So my website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. We'll see you next time.